Hi guys, Paul from Marks, just out here at Emu Plains. We're relocating a NTD or an NCD. So we've just created this hook, put a hole in the wall to bring the cable down the internal cavity, so we've just got it through. So what we've done, we've poked it through that vent there. So this is the underhouse, the garage, and there's no cavity. It's bricked all the way up. So we took a chance, tried to push the cable in the cavity, because what I've done is I put a hole in the wall where the socket's going to go. So I put a hole in the wall where the socket's going to go. Then I used my yellow tongue, pushed it up the wall to make sure there was no noggins closing off the cavity. So that worked. So then I got these thin rods, put a little hook on the end, and fed the cable into the wall as much as we could. And now we've managed to pull it through. That's where the socket was going to go anyway. If that didn't work, then we would have run some conduit down the inside and then drilled from the inside out and run it. So we've got that in place. So now we'll run the cable up along the rafters and out through one of the vents over there where the PCD is. Customer's got FTTC here that he's getting put on, but the connection's in the upstairs and he wants it downstairs. So, all right, we'll keep moving. We've had a success on that. Okay, so we've got the cable run. We've put some corrugated conduit there to keep the Cat 6 out of the weather, and we've now got it terminated at the PCD. So the external stuff's done, just got to go in and fit the socket. Okay, so we've got our socket fitted and terminated. We're just going to connect up the NBN NCD and for fibre to the curb and modem. The service should be activated, so should be ready. Now, with all my sockets, I put the pins up because one of the most common causes of poor internet is wet pins through moisture and that. So if you mount them, put the pins on the bottom, any moisture or anything splashed will sit on the pins and cause corrosion, dust, anything like that. If you put them upside down where the pins are at the top, nothing can sit on them and cause them to go faulty. So that's just my tip. That's the way I've been doing it for years now, and I haven't had a socket go defective. All right, just about done. We'll connect everything up and give it a test.